and you will write down the sentences in your fair notebook. And your queries will be sorted out when the 10 minutes will be remained in the class. Okay, children? So, pick your pencils, erasers, and I'm sharing the test paper on the screen that you have to note down on your fair copies, and then I will ask you the answers. So children, here you can see test paper related to pronouns. These 10 sentences you have to copy down in your fair notebooks, and the question is circle the pronoun in each sentence. So here only you have to circle the pronouns. 10 minutes are there to note down. After 10 minutes, I will ask you. Then you will raise your hands. Okay? Okay, start writing down the sentences. This is the record of test. I will just see all of you on the screen with your test papers. The test papers, those you have completed in the notebook. And also in the school, I will check the copies. Ten minutes are there. Yes, students, 7 minutes are completed. And after 3 minutes, I will be there for your reply of answers one by one. I think students, you are done with the work in your fair copies. So now I will unmute you one by one for the answers. You have to circle the pronoun and you will tell the correct word of pronoun. The first one, I have piano practice at 5 o'clock. Ayushi Garg.
मैम मैम जो हमें वो वाला वर्ड बताना है जो सर्कल होगा.
Yes, yes. You have to tell the pronoun word.
I.
Yes, I. It's the personal pronoun. This is correct. The first one, the right answer is I. You have to circle. Second, please ask them. Naitik. Second sentence. Yes, Naitik. He is not audible. Khushi Chauhan.
मैम them.
Yes.
Please
Them
first
is the
them में
pronoun.
them आएगा.
Yes. Second sentence, them. Third, are they home? Yashika Arora. Third sentence.
मैम they.
They. It's correct. Fourth, she ate a sandwich. Yash Bansal.
She.
Very good. Fifth, my grandpa loves cheese. Ayush Bagel.
Ma'am, my.
Yes, that's correct. My. Students, please be sincere to note down all the sentences in your notebook. Because when you will be getting your activity marks, the copy marks are also there in your exams, then these tests will be considered. If you are not writing the test, your marks will be deducted. Sixth sentence, place everything in the basket. Manvi Jain. Deepan Sharma.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, wait. Ma'am, your voice is not coming properly.
Shubhi. Shubhi Mishra. Yes. Can you tell me? Naitik. Can anyone tell the answer? Khushi Chauhan.
मैम मैं कौन सा वाला आप एक बार फिर से बोल दीजिए.
Sixth one.
Place everything in the basket. It will da.
It will
Da.
the. The is the article, not the pronoun.
In. In. In.
In is the preposition, not the pronoun.
What is
Okay,
the
wait. Ayushman Goyal. Ayushman. Ishan Agrawal.
Yes, ma'am.
Sixth one.
Ma'am, place.
Place.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That's correct because it's an command. The sentence is a bit different, but it's a command. And the word place has been given. Place everything in the basket. So in is the preposition, the is article, basket is a thing, noun. So whatever has been left, place. The word place has been left. It's indicating the pronoun for the place. For the WH question, where we are, WH word where we are studying where, when, where, what. That's why place will be the correct one. Seventh sentence. Yashika Roda.
Yes, ma'am.
Seventh sentence.
Ma'am, this and there.
Yes, this is their apartment. This and their, both words will be pronoun. Next one. Please give it to me. Eighth sentence. Ayushman Goyal. Eighth sentence. Yash Bansal. Yash Bansal.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
It and me. Both are the pronouns. Okay.
Yes,
it and two circles
yes,
will
ma'am.
be there.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Next one, Pihu Jain. Ninth sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Ninth.
My.
Yes. It's my is the pronoun. Circle the pronoun. And the last 10th one, Neeraj.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, 10th one. He.
He. Yes. He will be circled. He walked home. So this way, students, you completed your first revision test of 10 sentences in your notebooks. Those who joined late may take the screenshot because I will just see your notebooks also. Now, I am sharing revision test 2. There is revision test 2 also that you have to copy down. This is the test. 7 sentences are there of reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns you have to fill from the given box, hint box. So this also please note down. 5 minutes I am giving you to copy down. I am dictating also. Start writing, put the heading revision test 2 and the date also. Revision test 2 with date. Now start writing the sentence. I can do it all by dash. First one. I can do it all by dash. Second sentence. Maria got dash dressed. Maria. It's Maria got dash dressed. Third sentence, they can take care of dash. They can take care of dash. Students, you have to write down in your notebooks, English language notebooks. Fourth sentence, did you make that dash and question mark? Did you make that dash? Fifth sentence, you girls should help dash to the snacks. You girls should help dash to the snacks. Sixth sentence, did Tyrone, 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 bake the cake? Then question mark. And the last one, are we talking to dash? Question mark. Now you can sort out. After 5 minutes, I will ask you the right answers in your notebooks. Okay, children, I think you are done with the answers also. Ayushi Garg. Ayushi?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first.
Yes.
I can do it by myself.
Yes, this is the correct answer. Myself. In the first, you have to write myself. Second one, Ashvi Mehta. Ashvi, Ayush Baghel, yes. Ayush is also not there responding. Other than Shreya. Shreya Chaudhary.
Yes, ma'am.
The second one, second sentence.
Ma'am, herself.
Second, Maria got dash dressed.
Yes, ma'am. And herself.
Herself, yes. Herself will be the correct reflexive pronoun. Herself.
Okay. Ma'am,
Yes.
मैम कल कोई टेस्ट है?
Yes, you will be having every other test, all the topics we covered last week. Okay? It's a class test. That's why I will not tell you before. It's just a surprise test to notify how much you have grasped from the online classes. Deepansh Sharma.
Yes.
Third sentence. They can take care of. The correct pronoun. They can take care of.
And they can take care of ourselves.
No. They is the subject. Not ourselves.
अरे मैम ये आ रही है, कट के आ रही है। अरे नहीं।
Other than this, Pihu Jain. Pihu Jain. Sakshi Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Third one. They can take care
Ma'am.
of.
Himself.
No. Just focus on the subject. They is given. They. Oh. It's very easy. Shreya Gupta.
Ma'am.
Shreya Gupta. He's not there. Ishan Agrawal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell the right answer. Third one.
They can take care of yourself.
No. It will
Ma'am, yourself.
to them.
To
Themselves.
themselves.
Yes. They change to them. Next one, fourth. Did you make that? Now, Manvi Jain.
Ma'am, did you make that? Did you make? Ma'am, did you make yourself?
Yes. The correct answer is, did you make yourself? Did you make that yourself? Next one, you girls should help dash to the snacks. Listen, did you make that yourself? The spelling will be SELF because you is singular here. And in the next sentence, you are having you girls. Girls are plural there. So the correct answer will be Tanya Singh.
Which one?
You girls should have.
You girls should name yourself.
Yes. The correct answer will be yourselves. SELVES. Plural is given there. The subject is plural. Okay. The next one, did Tyrone bake the cake? Tyrone is the person given here. And Kushi Chauhan.
Ourselves.
No. Tyrone is a proper name.
Oh, himself.
So, yes, himself. Himself will be there. Proper name has been given. And next one, are we talking to? And Yash Bansal.
Ma'am, which one?
Last one, are we talking to?
Are we talking to themselves? Ma'am, themselves. Ma'am, ourselves.
Yes, ourselves is the correct answer. Ourselves. So children, this way we have completed 2 revision tests in fair copies, and I will check your fair copies on the screen also whenever I want, and in school also. Other than this, please lower down your hands. Those who have given the answers, lower your hands. Ayush Bagel, Yash Bansal, Tanya Singh. Lower your hands. Tamanna Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any query?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, only those students will raise their hands who are having the query. Yashika. Yes, Yashika.